Hi, good afternoon. My name is Grace from Bacolod City, Philippines. I am 37 years of age. I am married and I do have 3 kids. I am a caregiver graduate from Airpoline's Healthcare International. For my experience, I have worked as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 2 years, serving 3 members of the family, including mom, sir, and 1 baby girl. I took care of the baby. I do prepare and cooking meals and some household chores. I, I also have experience in taking of an elderly, bedridden. My main duties are cleansing bed bath, feeding through NGT tube, giving medications through NGT tube, and assisting him. To my future employer, you should hire me because I am an honest and a self-motivated person. I promise to do my duty and my responsibilities the best I can. Thank you and God bless.